Today we're featuring a 2017 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified Honda. It's got 1,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. Alright, it actually was purchased new here and traded in, so it's a local trade. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Driver's side's in really good shape. No issues at all. Alright, it is equipped with a rear backup camera. Alright, it's this really nice modern steel metallic in color, but this thing doesn't even have a scratch on it. Very well taken care of. It's basically like getting a new car for the used car price. Let's take a look on the inside. Door panel looks good. Power locks, power windows. It does have the gray cloth, the dark metallic inserts. Alright, but the cloth is in great shape. It does have the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat's in great shape. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your climate control area there. AM, FM radio right here, and your backup camera will be displayed right there as well. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, as you can see, it's got 1,359 miles on it. Alright, it's even still got that new car smell to it as well. Let's go ahead and check out your display, and that we got the car started. Alright, you got your AM, FM radio right there. Go ahead and engage backup camera. Alright. Air conditioner's been on now for a few minutes. Everything blowing cold there. No problems with the AC. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat, and we'll check out your trunk space. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Alright, let's take a look in the back. Door panels look good. Seats are perfect. Not one thing wrong with this car. Outside and inside it's like a brand new car. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's check out your trunk space. Alright, it's got the nice hard plastic protector mat in there. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth, but a ton of room in these Civics. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. Alright, 16-inch steel wheels. It's got the nice plastic hubcaps on there. Alright, brand new set of tires. It's only got 1,000 miles on them. Alright, just to recap, it's a 2017 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified Honda. It's got a clean Carfax. Alright, one owner. Alright, it was originally purchased here at McKenney, Salinas Honda and traded back in, so it's a local trade. You got to check this one out, guys. On the inside, it's brand new. On the outside, it's brand new. I mean, it's a perfect little car. Not a thing wrong with it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.